Want to create a clean dissolve effect in Unreal Engine 5 in under 3 minutes? Hey everyone, Hojdi here, and in this quick tutorial I'll show you the dissolve material setup from scratch so you can apply it to any asset and start using it immediately. Let's jump right into it. This tutorial was possible thanks to my supporters. Dissolve material. Hold T and click to add a texture sample node, and let's set it to a noise texture. I'll use the tiling noise 05 texture from the engine content. So let's drag out of the G channel and add an add node. Hold S and click to add a scalar parameter, and I'm gonna name this one dissolve. Default value of 0 is fine for now. So let's add it, and let's add a saturate node. Hold L and click to add a lerp node, and I'm gonna disconnect this one and connect it to the A input here. Let's set the B value to 0, and now we should connect it to the alpha input of the lerp. Now let's set the preview mesh to plane. Let's add a named reroute. Add it and connect it. Also make sure that your material is set to masked. So let's test it. I'm gonna increase the dissolve. And as you can see, the mesh disappears. Now, the dissolve value is set to 0, but the mesh is dissolved. So to fix that, because the texture is between 0 and 1, we can add a lerp, set its minimum to -1, the A input, and keep the B value at 1. Now we can connect the dissolve parameter to the alpha input and connect this one to the B input of the add. Let's set the default value to 0, set the group to dissolve, and save the material. Create a material instance, assign it to the mesh. So let's enable it, and now as we increase this value, the mesh disappears. This is just the basic dissolve. The complete dissolve material includes an emissive edge, animated edge noise, and a reusable material function. If you'd like to create the complete dissolve material, I've linked the full tutorial in the description below. The complete Unreal project, including the material function, the Niagara effect example, and the blueprint example, is available on my Patreon, ready to study and customize. So that's it. As always, massive shout out to all my amazing Patreon supporters and channel members for making this possible. Click here for more Unreal Engine tutorials, and thank you so much for watching. Like this video, subscribe, and join our community. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. So, see you in the next one.